So, good day to everyone. We are the group who will be tackling to you the data manipulation with SQL, wherein each topic will be discussed by my group members, um, which are Julina Hataas, Angeline Villasica, um, Abijim Bulong, May Ana Costa, Angelo Bautista, Crystalline, and Lares, and then Ani Quinones, and then May Ana Costa. So let's get started. So here, as you can see here in this data manipulation with SQL, we will be tackling here the mastering data manipulation, queries, and advanced SQL techniques. So let's proceed with the agenda. Go guys. Go.
First agenda is introduction to SQL. Okay, for that introduction, SQL is provide an overview of the basic concept and principles of computer or system. Second agenda, which is uh, querying data with SQL. The select statement is SQL is used to fetch or retrieve data from a database. Thank you.
And the next agenda is yung inserting, updating, and deleting data. And lastly is yung advanced SQL queries for data analysis.
Go.
Hindi gumagalaw yung slide natin.
Go.
Okay, in this part is introduction to SQL. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language used for managing and manipulating relational databases. For the second part, why use SQL? Why you use SQL? Simple language to interact with databases. Versatile for data manipulation, querying, and analysis. Basic SQL commands is select, insert, and update and delete. Thank you. Next is inserting, updating, and deleting data. First is inserting data. Insert in the statement. It is used to table syntax. We have insert into table name. We have a column 1, column 2, column 3. And values, we have value 1, value 2, value 3. So these are the actual data values to be inserted into the perspective columns. So second is updating data. Update statement. It modifies existing data in a table. So syntax, update table name, set column 1 equals value 1, column 2 equals value 2. So where condition, it identifies which row should be updated. Without where clause, all rows in the table will be updated. Next is deleting data. Delete from statement. It is removers from a table. Syntax. Delete from table name where condition. So the table from which row will be deleted, and where condition is identifies which rows to remove. Next.
Querying data with SQL.
Querying data with SQL. Basic queries. Select statement, retrieve data from one or more tables. Select column 1, column 2 from table, underscore name, where condition. Example, select name, age from employees, where department equals HR. Next.
Join. Compare for two more tables. Type of join. Inner join, left join, right join, and full other join.
So this slide is about advanced SQL queries for data analysis, which highlights two key concepts, which is the aggregate functions and the subqueries. For aggregate functions, these are SQL functions used to perform calculations on a set of values and return a single value. The examples include here is the count, which is counts the number of rows, and sum calculates the total sum of a column, which is the average or AVG that calculates the average value of column. And then we have here the max, finds the maximum value in a column, and then the min or minimum that finds the minimum value in a column. We have here an example, which is the select department, AVG or average salary from employees grouped by department. So this query, it calculates the average salary for employees in each department. So we're going here at the subqueries, which is these are nested queries used to perform more complex tasks by embedding one query within another. We have here the example of select name from employees where salary greater than select average salary or AVG salary from employees. This query retrieves the names of employees whose salary is greater than the average salary of all employees. So these concepts are essential for advanced data analysis, which allowing users to group data, compute statistics, and create more dynamic filters.
So this slide is also about the advanced SQL queries for data analysis. It is often utilized the common table expressions and window functions to simplify and enhance the querying process. So a CTE is a temporary result set that allows you to create a logical breakdown of complex queries. For example, a query might use a CTE to calculate the total sales for each product by grouping the sales data, then filter for products with sales greater than a specified threshold. This approach improves readability and avoids repetitive code by isolating specific calculations into a named temporary table.
Windows function, on the other hand, window function perform data's functions return a calculated value for ever knowing in the defined window. For instance, a query using the rank function could rank employees based on their salaries and in descending order showing each employee's rank alongside their salary. These features combine makes SQL queries more powerful for breaking down complex analysis and gaining deeper insight into the data.
So that's it for our report for the topic of data manipulation with SQL. I hope we give you some information about it, and thank you very much.